Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to connect to your new VPS using two different methods. Let's get started. Step 1. Using RDP file. Begin by double-clicking on the 0_VPS RDP file provided to you when prompted. Click on More Choices, then select Choose a different account. Enter the username and password given to you and click OK. Step 2. Using Windows Remote Desktop Client. Alternatively, you can use the Windows Remote Desktop Client. The user locates and clicks on the Remote Desktop Connection application. Open the Remote Desktop Connection application. The user enters the IP address of the new VPS 54.199.70.70 in the computer field and enters the provided username. Enter the IP address and username provided. Click Connect and enter your VPS login username and password. Closing scene, and there you have it. You're now successfully connected to your new VPS using both methods. Great job! You're all set to explore and utilize your new VPS. Remember, these steps will help you access it whenever you need.